Tom is like any other teenager. Read. Tom is like any other teenager. There is no difference between Tom and other teenagers. Okay? In his age, which is between 13 and 19. Okay? He goes to school. He goes to school. What does it mean? He goes to school just like any other regular teenager. Does his homework. Does his homework. Okay? What does it mean, does his homework? He does what teachers ask him to do as exercises at home. Okay. What does he do as well? Meets his friends, just like any other teenager, meets his friends.